Hello everyone, welcome to the course. In this course, we will be learning about how to create decentralized applications, a little introduction about Hyperledger, but mostly concentrating on smart contracts and DApps. My name is Sriharsha Bingi, and let's learn about decentralized applications and blockchain technology together. A little introduction about me. I'm Sriharsha Bingi, like I said, and my background is in blockchain development, data science, and data allowed to create smart contracts and decentralized applications. I'm a app developer, a blockchain developer. I'm a passionate trader and cryptocurrency fanatic. You can catch more about my work in my portfolio, which is harshabing.com. Let's dive into the course overview. What we'll learn? We will learn about different aspects of Ethereum and a little introduction about Hyperledger. In the first section, we will be learning about blockchain and how to compile and deploy the smart contracts. In the second section, we will learn about creating our own custom currency based on Ethereum. That is, we will be creating tokens on Ethereum's network. In section 3, we will create a decentralized application and we will discuss briefly about what is Hyperledger and how it can solve the problems when it comes to business needs. In the section 4, we will learn about how to create ICO, a crowd sale, how to create our own token on Ethereum using the crowd sale, how to initiate the crowd sale. In the final section, we will create a gambling app using Ethereum network and we'll create the smart contract for the backend of this gambling app. What are the prerequisites? Well, we will be needing at least a basic understanding of Solidity smart contracts and how it works. If you don't know, you can catch my previous course regarding the blockchain development for beginners, where I have explained about Solidity. We will also need a basic knowledge on blockchain technology. We need to know and have a little bit of coding experience, at least basic experience, good enough to know at least the basic syntax, right? We will also need a little bit of knowledge in HTML, CSS, scripting language. The tools we will be needing are Google Chrome browser. The Remix IDE, we need to use it on Google Chrome browser since we will be using MetaMask on it. We need Ganache for running blockchain test node, MetaMask extension for injected Web3, any text editor, preferably Sublime Text, and Ethereum wallet to actually deploy a contract on Ethereum wallet. Let's get started then.